I'm thrilled to be able to welcome you here today to the NASA Space Apps Challenge. Here at Meteomatics, we believe that whilst the weather is complicated, weather data should be simple. That's why we're proud to offer a wealth of high-quality data through our easy-to-use API. We collect data from providers such as NOAA, the Deutsche Wetterdienst, the UK Met Office, ECMWF, Meteo France, and others, and we provide all of these to you through a single API endpoint. Our documentation and our URL creator show you just how easy it is to query the API in your web browser. Additionally, we provide data connectors for every major programming language, which unpack the API response into familiar data structures which you can easily manipulate. You can find support for all of our data connectors on GitHub. Plus, during the challenge, you'll be able to communicate with our team of experts here at Meteomatics HQ, who will support you with any issues that you might encounter. In the meantime, why not take a look at some of our tutorial videos to get prepared for using the API on the day? All you need to do in order to get access to over 10 petabytes of the world's best weather data is go to the link provided and sign up for an account. This will give you access to our entire API for the duration of the challenge. So don't hesitate, follow the link provided and sign up for your free account. We wish you all the best at NASA's hackathon. To us at Meteomatics, make space means expand. Stop thinking small, use weather data and conquer the world.